But most memorable and most fun, I think, is last year, Weezer with my colleague, Tom Letty.
So we have been busy, right? We're preparing for TrailblazerDX, and in honor of all the excitement that's leading up to the event, I wanted to ask you a couple fun questions, hopefully, about your TDX past. So
Cool.
to start with, what number TDX is this for you?
Okay, so it's 7 years at Salesforce, actually, just in January, but this is only my
Nice.
fourth TDX.
So out of those 4 years, is there like a most memorable moment that you have?
We'll never forget the first TDX that was completely virtual and how that all came together, kind of
Right.
rushed and went off without a hitch. It was super successful and people enjoyed it. I think we all needed it back then. But most memorable and most fun, I think, is last year, Weezer with my colleague, Tom Letty, the great Tom Letty,
Yes,
architect
yes.
evangelist we all know. Yeah, we had a great time after the full day of work at TDX, meeting with everybody and just enjoying, partners and customers at Weezer. So that was great.
Oh, that's awesome. That's teamwork. The architect relations team, we're tight. We have our team. Tell all the viewers, all the people that are excited for TDX, what should they be most excited for when it comes to architects at TDX?
Yeah. So we spent a lot of time at Dreamforce on those architect workshops, the WellArchitected workshops, where you can get hands-on with all the different topics, whiteboarding, awesome clear glass whiteboards. And so that was super fun. So we're going to do that again. And the second time around, it's going to be even better. Tom and Susannah, yourself, you're all going to be there and we're going to be interacting with all of you, um, you know, getting
It's gonna be
hands-on with
awesome.
WellArchitected. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
and
going
I
to be fun.
heard, so for Dreamforce, there were two of those really cool like glass light boards, and there's two whiteboards. So the people that got stuck on the whiteboards, they were like, I'm sure
Bummed.
they had fun, but they were bummed. But don't
Yeah.
worry, because at TDX this year, there's going to be 4 light boards. So everyone is going to get to have the fun markers and, better solutions come out of fun paint markers, as
Yeah.
everybody
And even
knows.
more fun erasing them again. So that's cool.
Yes, yeah, that's a job. That's for sure. So what else? What else should architects be on the lookout for when it comes to TDX?
Yeah, for sure. So all last year we worked on WellArchitected, getting it out there and getting it, you know, in front of you so you can work on it. You can have it in your day to day. And when I say you, I mean all you architects out there. And so this year at TDX, I'm really excited to have a conversation with you all about where WellArchitected is going. So not only will you hear from us and see some previews of what we're thinking about WellArchitected, but you'll also be able to ask us questions and contribute your ideas for WellArchitected to expand the framework and tell us how you're using it to help us deepen it where it needs to be deepened and help it make it more usable in your day to day. So that's going to be exciting.
Yeah, definitely. It's going to be on day 2 of TDX. It's called Build the Future of WellArchitected. And just like Marc
Yeah.
said, it's not just a preview of the roadmap or some like preview of features. It's going to be interactive. You're going to get to weigh in, help us prioritize where we focus. So it should be a lot of fun. Cool. Well, I
Thanks to
know.
you.
Oh, thanks to
Thanks to
me.
you. You're adding all the interactivity and it's going to be cool. The new light boards and all the polls that you'll see, and
Yeah.
that's going to be fun. Yeah, it's going to
Cutting
be fun.
edge, cutting edge event technology. That's where we're at. It's going to be a
Yeah.
blast. So make sure to check out Agenda Builder, bookmark those sessions. Again, build the future of Well Architected on day 2, and we cannot wait to see you there.